Hey everybody, today is March 9, 2018. We're standing outside the soon-to-be old Advanced Technology Center at the CPCC Central Campus in Charlotte. The elevator in here recently had some work done to it. Let's go check it out. Let's see, a few weeks back, they replaced the valve body on this elevator due to excessive releveling. It was leaking fluid back into the tank, and it was constantly having to relevel, which was causing the weird issues that you may have seen experienced by me, NTJ elevator fan. And because they replaced the valve body, and they had to retime all the leveling. Let's ride it and see how it does now. And this is, in fact, a Westinghouse RT. Confirmed it. Here's the interlock. As you may notice, it now starts and levels a lot quicker than it ever has before. Runs a whole lot better now. Let's have a look at the Cratt building. Oh wait, there's no Cratt building anymore. It got demolished last summer. And you can see they are currently building its replacement. This will be called the North Classroom Building, also known as the New Education Center. It's going to be the largest building in CPCC's history. It looks like it's going to be 5 floors with the ground floor. And I think 180,000 square foot. It's going to be massive. In case you guys are wondering about Cratt Hall, yes, I do have some demolition footage of it. I will eventually be posting it. Let's have a look here. Okay, if we look straight down there, would you guys be willing to guess what that's going to probably be? That's right, probably an elevator shaft. And let me guess, they'll probably be putting Otis Gen 2s in here. That's kind of the trend at the new buildings at the college I've been taking as of the past few years. They are working very hard on this. And also I've been doing time-lapse video of this nearly every day that I'm here. I've been doing it since mid-November, and I will eventually have it posted to CubeComp MTDX in some form or another, which I think will be very interesting to check out. So yeah, this is going to soon be the old Advanced Technology Center. We'll take a look at the new Advanced Technology Center, but it'll be in a different video. If you're wondering what's going to happen with this building, the college will be repurposing it. It's going to be a makeshift library, and also the IT help desk will be moving here as well, because sad to say, 2 more vintage buildings will be going away here in the next few years. The library, which was built in 1968, and the Terrell building, which was built in 1968 and completed in 1971. Yeah, guys, more vintage buildings are going away. I'm kind of disappointed, but the college is growing. Look at this makeshift deck they built here. They are doing some work in this building. Let's get our elevator back. Let's get the cab view. Have to be kind of quick with this one because it will nudge, and it nudges quite violently too. It'll close right up on you. So yeah, this thing runs a whole lot better than it ever has before. And before we end the video, that's it for the elevator. Let's have one more look at the construction out here. There's a huge crane. And also, as mentioned earlier, I confirmed that this is a Westinghouse RT. It's not a Schindler. The controller is branded Westinghouse, although it does have a Schindler sticker on it. So it may have been installed by Schindler, but it was actually a Westinghouse. It was installed in 1989, which was the year that Schindler took over Westinghouse's elevator division. So, yeah, we could pretty much call it a Schindler house. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And look here, of course, the doors, they're automatic when you're leaving. Yeah, guys, this will soon be the old Advanced Technology Center. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, today is February 16, 2018. We are standing outside the old Advanced Technology Center at Central Piedmont Community College in Charlotte, North Carolina. We are getting a brand new Advanced Technology Center this fall. But in the old Advanced Technology Center, we have something to show you. That's right, the elevator. It was fixed yesterday, and the work was finalized this morning. TJ, I'm sure you know this elevator. Both times you came here, it messed up on you. Well, Southern Elevator replaced the valve body on it. It's got a brand new valve body on it. And as part of replacing the valve body involved retiming the leveling on all 3 floors. This thing runs totally different now than it ever has ran before. And I have confirmed this is indeed a Westinghouse RT hydraulic elevator, not a Schindler. Let's ride it. It's a little under level. Let's take it to 3. You may not notice a difference unless you watch an older video, but this thing levels, it starts and levels a lot faster than it ever has. Let's get a look outside at the crap building. Oh wait, there's no crap building. That's right, it got demolished last year. I don't think I've done a video, at least an elevator tour of this elevator, without showing what has happened since Krat has gone away. We're getting a brand new building here. It'll be the largest building in CPCC's history. It's going to be the new education center. And just to put in perspective, the Krat building, the front of Krat was about in line with the Giles building. Look how much further the new building is coming out. This new building is going to be huge. And also, I forgot to mention, it is unseasonably warm outside today. 80 degrees. Look at the skies. Does this look like February to you? It looks more like May or June. Yep, that's a cold front coming in. It's only supposed to be 46 degrees tomorrow. Yep, typical North Carolina, Mother Nature off her meds again. Weather's been all over the place all week. Okay, so we're going to take this thing down. We're going to stop. Let's go to 1. The transition from high speed to low speed going down is a little more harsh, but I'm not going to complain about it. We'll stop at 2, see how it does. It now takes about a second less to level. At least a second less. Alright, let's go to 3. Again, it runs amazing. Rides a lot smoother too. Alright, we'll do the same thing going down. Again, it does stop a little more harsh than it used to, going down. However, I'm not going to complain about that. The Westinghouse RT and the Advanced Technology Center, old Advanced Technology Center, runs amazing. Anyways, that's an update on this elevator. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Both at the same time.
What's the difference unless you watch it?
That was about 4 seconds difference. That is a huge improvement.
Here's your certificate. Elevator's first tested in early 90s, so it's likely from 1989. Possibly Westinghouse or possibly a Schindler. Takes a long transition from high speed to low speed going down. It's a little more hard.
That was also about a 5-second difference going down from 3 to 1. That is amazing. That's 5 seconds of difference. That's a lot of time.